Thank you so much for coming to chat to us. So could you start off by giving me your name and the company that you work for?
Yes, my name is Guido Petrelli and I'm the founder and CEO of Merlin Investor.
And can you tell us about Merlin Investments?
Sure, Merlin Investor is a fintech company on a mission to democratize access to investment strategies and offering a software for strategic investment planning and management to retail investors.
Fantastic. And what brings you to Finovate this year?
Well, actually this morning we demo our product in front of the audience and it was a great experience. Our main goal of being here this time is mainly to attract potential investors for a seed round that we're currently raising, and then also talk with financial institutions that may be interested to integrate our product as a white label technology to their trading platform.
And who is your target demographic then?
Well, Gen Z and millennials is
Right.
definitely what we are going after, yeah.
And how does your software help them? Can you talk a little bit about the software?
Sure. The Merlin platform is an educational strategizing and tracking tool that can be used with any kind of asset. It's complementary to any trading platform and designed for any kind of retail investors. Basically, what we have seen is a new generation of young investors that starting to buy and sell assets through the several trading platforms that are now available. But they did that without developing a strategy plan before, so without the concept of diversifying the risks that you take when investing. So Merlin Investor was seen as a guide in the process of being educated and becoming more expert in order to be autonomous in trading, but doing that with a strategy approach and with an experimentality.
What background has led to this innovation then? Like what challenges were there before that have led for this software to be used now?
Well, basically the main challenge was to transform something that I envisioned into a product that could be available to anyone, because I started the company out of a personal need that I had, because more than 20 years ago I started to be a retail investor, but then I couldn't find any product that was supporting me with everything in the investment process except the trading part. So I was forced to do that through spreadsheets. And then I said, you know what, we have an app or a platform for everything in life nowadays, so must be something better. I couldn't find it, and I took many had the same problem I had, and so I tried to create it and to translate a vision, a product that you have in your mind, in something tangible and functional without having an IT background, because I have a financial and IT background, was probably the biggest challenge. But we overcame it. In about 12 months after we started, we came out with a product either for mobile application and desktop application, and end of last year we launched it into the market. So it was a pretty busy year, as you can understand, but we made it, so I'm very proud of what we've been achieving so far.
And you did a demo, as you said. Was the demo about the software?
Yes, definitely. The demo was showing the product so that everybody could see with his own eyes all the steps that I mentioned before and that our products allow you to complete.
And are you allowed to talk about anything you have coming up in the future with the software?
Well, definitely, even if again, we recently launched the product into the market, we are already working on how making the product even better. So we are definitely working on some additional feature to bring in the product, and they're already in the pipeline. So no spoilers today, but let's say to our audience that the product that you guys see today, I hope you like it, but also know that it's nothing compared to what we have in mind for the next months and the next years to come.
And how have you found the convention so far?
No, I like it so much. I actually been going to many fintech conferences either in North America and then Europe, but Finovate is the first time for me, and I have to say that so far it's definitely up to my expectations.
And can you talk a little bit about the markets and the outreach that you've reached so far?
Yes. Before we started the project, we analyzed our target audience. So basically we analyzed where is the majority of retail investors today. And with this in mind, we find out that the main markets are North America and then Europe, and that's where we concentrate today. That's also why we have a company in Europe and one in US. So that's definitely where we are starting from. But then if we look more in the medium-long term, considering this booming in retail investor is also spreading more east, we are definitely targeting to move in the GCC region and then to reach Asia and the South Pacific, because again, there is market also there for us. And considering our product being a digital product is available worldwide, it's basically an opportunity on global scale that we are here to try to take.